Okay, real quick. If you've ever skipped breakfast before and accidentally intermittent fasted without knowing what it is, congratulations, you're halfway there. Today, we're breaking down intermittent fasting the right way. No starving, no misery, and definitely no dry toast. Intermittent fasting, or IF if you're cool like that, is not a diet, it's a pattern. It's when you eat, not what you eat. Eating only happens during certain hours and the rest is fasting time. Now, there are a few ways to do this. Let me break down the main ones real quick. 16-8 method. You fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. This one's popular and manageable. 14-10, a more gentle version, great for beginners. 5-2 method. Eat normally 5 days a week, then reduce calories to around 500 to 600 on the other 2 days. OMAD, 1 meal a day. Hardcore, not for newbies, unless you enjoy suffering. So, why do people even do this? Here's the tea. Weight loss, because your body finally dips into fat burning mode. Improved insulin sensitivity. Reduced inflammation. Brain clarity, aka less brain fog. Possibly a longer life. I mean, sis, it's giving Benjamin Button energy, okay? You can't have pancakes, obviously, but here's what you're allowed to eat during those fasting hours. Water, sparkling or still, get a little bougie with it. Black coffee, no sugar, cream, or oat milk. Unsweetened tea. Electrolytes, no calories. Okay, here's how you ease into it so you don't crash and burn by day 2. Start with 12-12 or 14-10. Don't go straight into 16-8 if you're new. Push back breakfast slowly, 30 minutes later each day. Stay hydrated. It helps with hunger pains. Eat enough protein, fiber, and healthy fats during your eating window so you're full and nourished. Sleep. You're not really fasting if you're up all night snacking. Now let's be clear, intermittent fasting is not for everyone. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, have a history of disordered eating, or take medication with food, you need to talk to your doctor first. IF is a tool, not a punishment, so treat it like one. All right, besties, now you've got the tea on intermittent fasting without all the diet culture drama. If you want me to do a what I eat in a day on intermittent fasting video or a sample schedule, drop one of those plate emojis in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this with your snacking friend who thinks fasting means misery. And remember, whether you're fasting, feasting, or just trying to figure it out, you're doing amazing. I'll see you guys in the next one.